Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream using eggs. This easy guide will help you create a delicious, versatile custard cream right in your own kitchen. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to achieving that perfect, silky, smooth texture. Get ready to elevate your desserts with this simple, yet impressive recipe. Let's get started on making this delightful treat. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 4 large egg yolks, which are key for that rich, creamy texture. Also, have ready 2 cups of whole milk, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for flavor and 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter to finish our cream beautifully. Now for the cooking process. First, whisk your egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch together in a bowl until the mixture is pale yellow and smooth. Next, gently heat 2 cups of whole milk in a saucepan until it's just about to boil. Slowly pour about 1 cup of the warm milk into your egg mixture while whisking constantly to temper it. Then, return this combined mixture to the saucepan and cook over medium heat, stirring continuously for about 5 minutes, until it thickens. Once your custard has thickened, remove it from the heat. Stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract until fully combined. For an extra silky finish, strain the warm cream into a clean bowl. Cover the surface directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Serve this delightful cream cold with your favorite desserts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.